When it comes to cryptocurrency being as speculative it is, that means there's not a lot of fundamentals in which you can judge a project and determine whether or not it's going to go up or down. Well, the good news for Terra Luna Classic is that it does have a lot going on in terms of development. There's a lot of innovations out there. The Layer 1 task force is constantly upgrading the blockchain. We're throwing proposal after proposal after proposal out there, and the decentralization is actually working. People are participating and voting on the future of Terra Luna Classic. So we do have a little bit of something we can judge the future on. But technical analysis is also very important. It's very important for Terra Luna Classic, and it's especially important for the cryptocurrency market in general, because without it, we can't determine what traders are thinking and which direction they're going to go next. So we're going to take a look at the technical analysis on Terra Luna Classic, and of course highlight some of the fundamentals and what's going on there as well. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, Terra Luna Classic has a ton going on. We're going to focus on the price action here first, and then we'll highlight some of the projects that we've been going over a lot over the last couple of days and weeks here. Because that's what Terra Luna Classic is right now. It is a project being built. Upgrade after upgrade, proposal after proposal. And a lot of people get tired of all of the proposals that are, being put forward for Terra Luna Classic. And they get tired of all of the voting. But without it, what will we have? A decentralized blockchain? No, we would have a centralized group of developers that make every call and every shot and determine the future for themselves of what Terra Luna Classic can be. Very similar, guys. There's a difference in having a truly decentralized blockchain like Terra Luna Classic currently is and something like Terra Luna 2.0. Right? They might claim that it's decentralized finance. They might claim that, okay, you don't have to KYC yourself in order to make a transaction, therefore it's decentral. And to a certain degree, yes. But the future of that blockchain is thought out, and it is determined by a central group of developers. Terra Luna Classic is much different. But let's look at these numbers here, guys. We are currently sitting around the 8,900 to 9,000 point per coin range. And we have been trading here for 3 full weeks. Now, just to get an idea of what this looks like, it's been 3 full weeks of testing roughly 8,000, unable to break through. Week number 2, testing 8,000, unable to break through. Testing 8,000 in the 3rd week, and unable to break through. That is an excellent sign of strength. Now, I know that means that the bears are trying to push us down, and you might be saying, how in the world is that a good sign of strength? When they can't accomplish their goal. The same way when you're rising in price and you can't push it, you can't find that new money to push Terra Luna Classic higher through that level of resistance. You can't do it. People begin to stall out. And the same thing happens when support lines are formed. If they cannot push us down through that 8,000 point per coin mark, there is a very good chance that we either just hold steady or we begin to turn around and bounce to the upside. Now, I truly do believe we are going to need to see a bull market return before we see multi-billion-dollar valuations on Terra Luna Classic. It was beautiful back in September when Terra Luna Classic was running up to those recent highs. And we were sporting multi-billion-dollar valuations, and people were emotionally FOMOing in. We've seen a lot of FOMO recently with coins like Pepe. But nonetheless, sorry, if we don't have an overall economic outlook where growth and prosperity are alive and well, it's going to be difficult to get that new money to flow in and support these multi-billion-dollar valuations. So let's just take a look here. If we hold 8,000, the next level of resistance is 12,000 points, which is huge. Why? Because it might not seem like a lot compared to the 60,000 that Terra Luna Classic was trading at just a couple of months ago. But it is a 50% increase. And a 50% increase is something people look for their entire lives and do not get it. So it is still a major increase if Terra Luna Classic is able to return just to the level of resistance that it last had. Beyond that, and perhaps a much stronger level of resistance, is 16,000. You guys might be thinking, 16,000, dude, we were just there a couple of weeks ago. You are right, but that is a doubling in price from where we are right now. If we double in price, people are going to be making a lot of money. Imagine doubling your money. Imagine using a platform like KuCoin, leverage trading, and you double in price, but therefore you 5x, 10x, 50x your money in something where you leveraged trade. But just leverage trading is very risky. Don't get involved with that if you guys don't know what you're doing. Beyond that, guys, in the next or last major level of resistance before we could tap new recent highs again, 28,000. That is nearly a tripling in price. It's a little more than a triple, almost a quadruple in price, and we've got a ways to go before we get there. But it is optimistic to think that we could do that simply based on a turnaround and a potential, I guess, positive economic outlook. So Terra Luna Classic looking very good to the upside. Let's talk about to the downside. Terra Luna Classic right now is sitting in a major level of support that we tested from the beginning of July through the end of August. And we tested this level with very, very consolidated trading until it broke out massively at the end of August into the beginning of September of 2022. Unfortunately, if we break down through this 8,000 point per coin level that the bears have been testing and testing and testing, the only level of support we have left on the graph, 4,500 to 5,000 points per coin. That is another 50% decline from where we are, and it is the lowest level that we have seen hold as a level of support since the DPEG event took place. So, good news is, we've got a lot of room to the upside. Bad news is, if the bears break us down, if regulation destroys cryptocurrency in the United States, if something drastic changes and we move to the downside, it could be a very heavy move and one that is uncertain beyond that 4,500 to 5,000 point per coin mark. I want to know what you guys think. Are you optimistic, since we're consolidating in this area the exact same way we did in July to August of 2022? Are you optimistic of a breakout to the upside? Or are you pessimistic of a breakout to the downside? Let us know. And if it goes to the downside, you guys can buy more for a lot less. Let us know in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.